Hello there, Y Combinator. My name is Sankalpa Dahal, and you are watching a demonstration video of Pikera SEO, a tool that helps SEO content strategists to decode the human searcher intent behind every searcher query. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the keyword or the query of AC price in Nepal. First of all, let's just search for AC price in Nepal. You can see if I have to understand the real deeper psychological intent of the searcher, then I really have to go through all of this, right, to understand what exactly does the searcher want in the very first place, right? I have to read through all of this, and it would take me, hours and hours, and sometimes even days. So it's a fucking headache. However, using my tool called Pikira SEO, you can actually get you can get the entire output in just a span of like, I don't know, 1 to 2 minutes, I would say. So let me just show you what it actually come up with, right? First of all, it comes with situation model, the human behind the searcher, situation, tension, and decision. Searcher situation. Someone in Nepal is dealing with summer heat or planning to install air conditioner in their home, offices, or business space. They likely experiences discomfort and stuff like that. Here's the content brief. What a strategist should actually look like, maps directly to the situation, provide current retail, not just MRP for 1 ton, 1.5 ton, and 2 ton across budgets, specific models, example, and name. And here also doesn't only tell what to add, but also what exactly to avoid, showing only premium bad classic prices that makes the searcher feel hopeless price out. And also talk about the critical moments, and also covers hidden question of what the searcher is actually feeling deeper, right? What are some of the hidden questions the searcher wanted? For example, what's the total cost including installation, stabilizer, and first year electricity for my room sites? Can I find reliable AC under 40,000, or do I really need to spend fixed tenants, and so on and so forth? And here's the visualization criteria. I can see the current retail price from named stores in Kathmandu, not just categorized prices. And here's also the content Zoptiviton help me feel financially competent and not need to be able this purchase and stuff like that. So you can also see about the every space camp track at the same time for the best CRM for a small agency. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this makes sense to you, YC. Thank you for watching.